Okay, we are here in room 209. Just come in, got the bathroom, and my sink, mirror, hair dryer, water, and soaps. There's your thing, got shampoo and conditioner. I got to bring some, what you call it? A little couch. No really light switch here, so these, there we go. Got the phone, got 2 plugs, 2 switches, coffee, another outlet there, kind of a smaller TV, good sized fridge, microwave, 2 drawers, a chair over here, for a little closet here with an ironing board and such. Get right in the front here, get 2 plugs, 2 regular plugs. There's the heat air, got a clock radio, got several of those, and that's about it. Got a little microwave here. Let me show you the, let's see which direction, there we go. Good sized refrigerator. That's the direct TV thing. It's a non-smoking room. A little spot to put your luggage if you want. Got plenty of plugs. And that's about it. And here's the other light in the bathroom. It's a lighted mirror. It's pretty cool. And you got your lotion right there. So you have to use regular bar soap. But that's okay. And that's our room.